Hi everyone. Today we're going to be talking about the jade plant, Crassula ovata. Jade plants need at least 4 hours of direct sunlight each day. Young plants need to be kept in bright indirect sunlight. Older plants can handle more direct sunlight. Kitchens and offices are great spots with a south-facing window, as are western-facing windows, or any spot with bright LED lights. These have very pretty colors on them. It's almost like a purplish color around the leaves. Let's see, I got 2 plants here. 2 small ones. Jade plants flower. They appear on a mature plant in late winter or early spring. They are small white or pink star-shaped flowers which grow in clusters. So they do have real pretty flowers on them. Jade plants are succulents. They hold water in their leaves, so they don't do well when sitting in moist soil. Let the top 1 to 2 inches of soil dry out well between waterings. Outdoors. Indoors, you can water every 2 to 3 weeks. Be sure to check your plant often. You can also propagate in water or soil. I already put the coffee filter in the bottom of the pot so the soil won't go through the holes. And with this one here is going to go in soil. You want to cut it below the node on your plant, like right down in here, below the node. And if there's any leaves on their bottom part, just take them off. And you just want to put that right in the soil. I got Miracle Grow in here. It has a lot of nutrients in it, potting soil, and I also have the cactus soil mixed together. And then we got the leaf. Put this right in the water. Or you can put that in dirt too, but I'm going to try it in water. See how that goes. And if you have any questions or comments, just leave them below in the comments section. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye for now.